tie you temporarily. I'll sit at the head of the bed. You could go anywhere cause you're free, but you still choose to crawl to me. Your eyes scream that you want more, so it's more that you will get. Go get me the handcuffs, let's turn things up a bit. Things are going well, babe, don't you think? Testing your body's limit, all while exploring each other's kinks. Things are getting hot, I would say a lot.